Now make up Peter Mosimane, the greatest club coach in Africa. Peter Mosimane.
The greatest club coach in Africa.
Yes, currently. Yes.
Okay.
That boy.
Okay.
Why?
Oh, they be said.
Me say boy. The only coach our channel, Jose Manuel Jesus Silva of Ali. On penna winning 2001 Champions League, winning 2005, win 2006, and win 2008. He's won 3 Champions League. 3. Boy, African coach, boy.
Also, but and
the greatest club coach in Africa.
I'm not the kindly buy. And you know, boy. Oh, this is the Obielio.
This is the
and Bacola Kameka. And our Babe Casa and no records to go to
Al-Wahda of UAE.
Yeah.
Yet. And Al-Wahda almost see a range of $400,000 to $500,000. We Al-Wahda Football Club. And I was say Omone Peter Mosimane ABBR. And the marketing, sports marketing company, IMX Sports Marketing Management, I'm making sure say 1 year deal with the salary ranging from $400,000 to $500,000. But because I know you $400,000 to $500,000 a month, that's how much is
a month. $400,000 to $500,000.
Yes, that's how much is earning.
Super.
No, and normal. I mean, what he's going to do here, Waka. Or see, vision, ambition, as any swadin when baby person moko and a man or join the club with on your 25 offers. 25 offers. Yes, it's true. Look at the Nigerian national team wanted to start Jose Pesero.
Wow.
Yes. 20. Kaiser Motonga, Kaiser friend, Kaiser chief owner friend. I mean, he had offers, big 25 offers, but he chose this. Where he choose, you know, the
oh, they you.
So there's a now, Wakatom said, the best they've done is to reach a Champions League semi-final, Asian Football Federation Champions League semi-final. That's the best. Now, no saying the target is to win the Champions League with them. That's the target is set for him to win the champion. Now, one thing about Peter is that the team, technical team, yet from Ali, when he was moving, he moved with technical team, and he Oberon said, Mata David. Or no, special analyst for data. Cabello Rigonga. Or also a data analyst. Or no, a second data analyst.
Oh, okay.
Cabello Rigonga, data analyst. You come to Al Hamid Al Manai. Or no, dear, or no, or a former Saudi Arabian national team goalkeepers trainer. And on that kind of team, no.
Oh, okay.
Carl Solomon, or a strategist, a coach, and a scout. Musi Mutilaba, or yes, condition specialist, scout, and a special assistant. So this technical team we and all the boys.
Don't offer a full package.
Yes, that's a way.
Yes.
Obia Bain. And no wonder they achieved this. Now with Oshe Al-Wahab Ali, Al-Ain, any Al-Wahab, Al-Wahab the third, league no more.
Yeah.
It means that they are not a bad team. From what I know of Pitu, any near Pitu at me, look, we have recent Pitu we need Yellow League or Saudi Arabia. Division 2, no honor promoted Ali Saudi Arabia, I call Premier Division. Or we need, if he won the league, he also qualified, he won the league title.
Oh, G-League.
Good. Now, we share the records of Pitua. Even in Saudi Arabia, 19 wins, 6 draws, 3 losses. Clearly, Wachesa or your coach, Omanu Tima, the winning percentage is very, very high. Now, coach record is it means that the chances of winning laurels for the team no was wrong until losing matches. Osho Ali Day, who crache bia, the Ali Day no,
yes.
And I'm talking about Ali, and then also the facts on both Champions League, the league matches. But he was able to win 65 out of 97 matches. He won 65 matches, a draw 22, and lose only 10. That's incredible.
I know a thing.
So, a chese obekwa ko ye bi papa with team. And then Yemi Wanwa that he will be able in a year or 2 win the champion with them. But Adi Bakwa Esan Chen said, look, he has proven to be a quality coach everywhere he goes. Any African one or yes how Saudi Arabia ko prove. And Osampe challenge. I did go Pesto Mosimane or challenge. Okwali no or say he's going to prove a point that he's the best coach. Okwali do. He won 2 Champions League. Oko 3 finals, done for 3 consecutive finals. So we wish him all the best. He's my man. I always tell you, he's a top coach. And now here in 500,000. Ghana, who coach 1 year, national team coach 1 year. 1 year was national team coach salary. 1 year, Abuti, 1 year.
Future to coach.
Why?
Pesto.
Okay, my uncle. Now, Sudan bebo game na enye match no Mauritania born na issue, but Moates Sam, captain of say aka bibia e mobo. On say Sudan into kwanti omo Morocco e ho no mo training league and ball league say na ma fata okra befi. No see ni mami manonkra say the way o man no nipa aye basa areho e wo man no mu no obompa ye say ono ne ba no ye captain opomucho ede ade ba ko pe no here se omo nhye Mauritania mom na ede anunyam ede anije nkambom betimi aboman no mu. And he spoke to BBC on that, and it was a very sad thing that on minor do baby say footballers here and Omukago John Minor name Ombomo Afcon qualifiers and don't forget some share Gabon in March.
Yes.
And then some share Mauritania to top the group DRC group, you know, as it's been DRC the lady. And it's almost to me winning we are all they need to do to draw against DRC. Then Ometima qualify to the next year of the competition. Ometima qualify for Afcon. And but niani mami or sini mami katen niani mami
SOMPA Sports
on the winning match ne keke mom na o minu se na o minu esia no the only thing that can make sure say o minu can boom ni enije kakra because o minu is baby o sia no ye kunkrofo ngro nipa wu etoso ni krofo be display because o ni baby ani busu ani wo but victory no ebeti mama Sudan 70 one of the 3 pioneers of African Cup of Nations. Ghana and Count. Sudan, Ethiopia, Egypt. Not Ghana and Count. Yeah, Sudan 1970 champions.
Wow.
Yes, Sudan 1970. Same being here now. We are seeing near Mosimane Count. So they are very, and you know that about club level this year Al Hilal, Emirates, they were in the Champions League group stage.
Yes.
Almost every year you find them there. But I did back where see and say in Tokawi. Like Fatah Mofi, Moro Mofi. One year, Setra Econima, next year, ball come to Bubi. Because they are not playing football. League is suspended. So I'm praying and hoping, sir, Ombe Timi, I'm making sure, sir, at least if for nothing at all, Ombe Timi, I'm making sure, sir, Ombe winning against Mauritania to enable them have their day. Now, Mamiko Goff, Oba Julian Kemelin, I say, Omani Kunu. Match B. So I see a week before the golf tournament, US Open, Julia Kemelin said, "Omo make love no kate no kunu." Say, "Adia bema neni beji pa we say." Before Oja bema no kwa so go golf no. Say obe win the US Open. Now don't forget not ne kunu big boy. No. So obe win the US Open amano. Varas mami picture na Obano kisse William Kemelin kisse Nicolo win and
SOMPA Sports.
I said that is the greatest moment in her life. That all corner Jano Kwan match and so on having good sex. Now Jano Kwan no catch and say Obano class or can on gin this hour, but or catch and say Adia ye nay me person crown the year mommy by winning the golf tournament. And the young man went. Now the reason why a young man, yes, this is a young man, Wyndham Clark. Now the reason why the story is so interesting is that, look, Abu Onkanho. Listen, but there's something special about love, so special about love, genuine, sincere love. Yeah. Now Onkanho, you start here. Bruce Kopka, 5-time champion. He started well, funnily. The T-shirt was poor, the spin was not going well, the pattern bad. And the Ono of Oli at the wayside. Jonas Smith, 3-time champion. Also having problem with teeing off near from the main point of the way a ball. Of course. On your problems are. Then Ricky Fowler Ricky Fowler led from Friday to Sunday morning. Only Rory McIlroy and another boss on count. Scotty Scheffler, a very brilliant striker of the ball and good putter. Or no, crab a try when it comes Smith. Now, we are saying a bar 16, 17, 18 hono. And now Rory McIlroy tried to tumne winning. And now, boy, but now power. I want him first one 16 hole, 18 hono. Now, Osanko boy, or boy, no missy hono. And away, a wonderful pattern and obedient him. Now, Ricky Fowler, so what Boboli have a tour.
Sports.
Na and near from the bunker Anriamo and Ojavo
about 2
they say we are city and now the last we know where look at how pathetic and no
we are not the way
and this was what led him and he at the end of the day what team winning a man the year get $2 million a beefy and the
$2 million abefi
and the any cheaper the moment the hag no
match papa SOMPA so no
oh it's because you see it motivates, it inspires you on the golf course. My man the card is no kudos journalists card is no your mom kra two for papa yeah and I'm nim government and most of them keep hard. I'm sure they be whole we in a sobono club no music club with club with size because of the way I saw partner.
Oh wow.
Yes, yeah, they play.
As I didn't kito omo kwa.
Omu nimu pa omu two for. Omu two for. They are very key to success story of golfers. The Tiger Woods on funny card is in the agro, and the Wyndham, great success story. This is first ever major.
First ever major.
Winning major. This is the first ever major. So it's been very interesting. It's always good. So no, one kasa obi open asempa. So wife, it is good to have wonderful sex with her before you go for any major assignment. Very good. Memano bebre, memano esamutiwi. Beme bia ufifia no pa na onkisu you are sick.
Ufifia no pa no onkisu. Na ya enzu ni ye ne.
Ba wo bi on neti.
Dabi me nkwa na mete.
And so unye qualified. Sanka wo bi on neti.
O bi an neti. Ana wa wide dia. Ana pa no bozo kissing.
Yes, obefie nso a so kissing.
Abozo na nkomo bi ze dabe na ebenya lenti time na ya wa chichi.
Many mure ebe kan kakrakasa. Because we are very powerful. Bema bi oye sabia no oye juma 60% better than other men.
Oh okay.
Bema bi o kissing ria no pa oba so kissing no. Oye ne juma the output is 60% higher.
Na no mo nyesa.
Yeah.